there, beauties. I'm Rica. Thank you for watching my video. Today, I am going to review another great product that I just discovered from the grocery. This is a Megan Detox and Lightening Peel-Off Clay Mask. I tried this product and I was really 100% satisfied with it. The oiliness on my face was gone, the whiteheads are gone, and I feel that my face is clearer and fresher. This is the Megan Detox and Lightening Peel-Off Clay Mask. It helps remove impurities and lighten skin. It says for external use only, keep out of reach of children, discontinue use if the skin becomes red and itchy during and after use. Consult a doctor. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse immediately with water. Store in dry room temperature, not above 30 degrees Celsius.